its retro yet futuristic form, this trainer brings back the style of the early 2000s with a contemporary twist. A striking, dynamic style that is suitable for daily wear is produced by the metallic silver and black colorway. The upper is made of mesh and synthetic leather, which improves comfort and breathability and makes the trainer both fashionable and practical. The massive design and metallic embellishments of the Inhale showcase A$AP Rocky's innovative style and ability to break apart from genres and trends. A$AP Rocky's growing prominence in the fashion world is marked by this cooperation with Puma. Rocky, who is well known for his ability to combine high fashion and streetwear components in a seamless manner, gives the iconic Puma Inhale a modern twist while honoring its heritage. The sneaker exemplifies Puma's commitment to bringing back iconic silhouettes with a contemporary twist through the use of new collaborations.